Hey, Nomies. What are you doing? I know what I'm about to do. Want to find out? I know you do. Well, besides rocking out to our favoriteest hits in the valley. Okay, I left you in suspense long enough. You ready? We're going wireless, baby! Alright, wireless. Check this out. Ha ha! I love it when a plan comes together. Let's do something. You ready? Let's go. Come on, people, let's do something, even if it's wrong. This episode proudly sponsored by Gnome Domes Alaska, a non-profit workers cooperative manufacturing products that offer affordable and sustainable living solutions. Well, since we're working on the beast here in the ice, in Crocs and socks, because that's the way I roll, yeah, we need to take care of this ice. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I'll show ya. We got ashes from the fire. You know, these things are so useful. You can put them in your garden, sprinkle them on the drive so you don't slip and fall on your arsk. And yeah, so I have to do that.
There we go. Much better.
I know, what we've been working with on this beast here is this in and out switch for the winch. But it's got this long wire on it, which is nice, and we're going to keep this. We're actually going to try and keep this also, besides having the remote, because it's always nice to have a backup. So I don't want to disconnect this. Got a nice plug on the dash. It's only 3 wires, so you should be able to figure it out okay. But if you've been around for a while also, you know the routine. We're going to need other stuff. So what are we going to need? Looks like that's a remote receiver.
Which means we're going to need a remote.
Tool-wise, we'll start with one of them.
Maybe one of them.
Probably one of those too.
You never know.
Heck, might need to call in the big boys.
Oops, a little bag parts.
And most importantly, the instructions. Because we don't know what the heck we're doing.
Give me a sec.
Nomies, we got a problem. See it right here? It says 8TV wireless remote. Guess what that shows you? How to install it on an 8TV. Where's it at? Where's it at? Yeah. How to put it on a flippin' ATV. Nothing about side by side. Nothing whatsoever. So, have to figure this out on our own. Figures though, huh? Where do we go from here?
Let's go check out the hood.
Alright, nomenclatures, we're gonna grab this here. There's this little bag of jumpers and stuff here that might come in handy. Get it. And some of y'all might remember this because we were under here hooking up that relay and them wires for our LED lights. And now we got to figure out this color coding thing, because you see on here on the winch,
green, brown, black.
Okay, here we have green, black, black, and red. And I think we're gonna have to hit YouTubeversity, because like black And this brown goes to black. That's probably our black. And there's our green. We gotta figure out where the other green goes and why it goes there. We gotta figure out a good place, because this is supposed to go on the handlebars of a 3-wheeler or 4-wheeler. And we got side by side. We're probably gonna mount it in here somewhere. But anyway, all right. Bear with us. We'll be back. All right, nomenclatures. Figured I'd take a sec, tell you what's been going on around the Gnomestead house while I've been gone. Because some of y'all don't know, there's more to the Gnomestead than meets the eye. Ooh, where's the eye? Right there. What do we got going on besides being laid up on injured reserve here? Hard to function doing crap with one hand. Fortunately, it's the middle of the winter, so there's not much to do once you got your firewood put up, your food put up. You can chill out for a little bit. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah. What the heck you talking about, Nomi? What's been going on and what are you doing? And what's more than meets the eye? Well, I'll tell you. For about 10, 12 years now, I've been working on this project in my head. I'm wanting to start a school, teaching how to live off grid, teaching how to hunt, how to fish, how to garden, how to do things for yourself and be more sustainable and have food security, housing security, and debt free. Unfortunately, after a long wait last year, we actually got official. We got our 501c3 and we gave ourselves a name. Anyways, so what I've been doing the last couple months here is season's coming up, snow's melting, so I've been trying to schedule classes. I've been interviewing interns that want to come up here and spend 6 months to a year with us, learning how to live this way. And that's been keeping me pretty busy. Anyway, this 501c3 stuff, you got to do all this paperwork.
And you got to form a board of directors. So we finally formed a board of directors, and now we've been organizing the organization. And blah, 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 blah.
That being said, we got people coming up, so we're making plans to try and house them for the summer, feed them for the summer, give them something to do for the summer, which we got plenty to do. We got chicken coops to build. We got guest housing. We got a shower house we got to build. We got a dome we got to build. We want to put a dome in the hillside over here underground. Did he say domes underground? Yep, I did. And we're going to be using aircrete. What's aircrete, you ask? I'm so glad you asked. This stuff right here. 60% air, 40% concrete, never rots, never molds, never burns. Ha ha ha! Where do you see this stuff in action? Guys, this stuff is super cool. Check it out. See all them little tiny air bubbles? Super insulated. Super insulated concrete. Just imagine. Just imagine. Cross your fingers. We get the funding. We get the people. You'll get to see it. Follow along with us. How's that sound? So normally, like I said, we got lots of stuff coming up. We got some fundraiser we're going to do. We might even run some raffles, and we're going to explain to you our membership program with the nonprofit, Light in the Wilderness. That way, if you're interested, become an annual member. You can become a life member. But we'll tell you all about that later on. So meanwhile, that's been keeping me busy while I've been laid up. So we're back now. We're going to try and get on to regular again because spring is on the way. And we got stuff to do. I want to appreciate y'all that stuck around listening to what I got going on. Blah, 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 blah.
We're going to get back to work here.
But first, could you hit that like button?
I'd appreciate it.
It does help with the algorithms. And since we are trying to build stuff around here, any little bit that anybody can do, is surely appreciated. And also, if you like that kind of stuff we're showing you around here every day, not every day, if you like the stuff we're showing you around here, hit that subscribe.
It'll let you know every time we got a video coming up.
Because without you guys, none of this would be possible. Honestly.
And truly. All right, back to work.
We got wiring to do. Wireless. We got to hook up a wire. We got wiring to do, but we're wireless. Wiring up a wireless remote. That's it. Whew. That was a tough one. So we're back under the hood here. We done got this figured out. We didn't even have to go to the YouTubers. It's kind of pretty basic and simple here. What you got? Oh, what's that? Anyway, we got a green and a black coming off of this relay. That green and black go down into the wiring harness, like I showed you maybe earlier. Goes up to here, and then goes up to this green and black, which, yep, there it is, that green and black. So, this is actually about a 5-minute job because they give you everything you need here. We've got our dealio mounted up there. Oh, I gotta cut them. Anyway, we got our dealio mounted up to there. Basically, there's 2 green ones, 2 black ones. And what they do is you hook up a green and a black to here and there after you take these off. And then you hook up your other green and black. Which other green and black? This green and black. Yeah, that green and black. To that green and black wire and that black wire. And basically what it does, it's making a switch leg. If you understand anything about electricity and how 4-way switches work, that's kind of what this is doing. These are your switch legs. That way you can keep your control in the dash while having your remote sensor. Anyway, so we'll mount this to the dash and we can take it off if we want to. Take it outside if we want to. No more wires if we want to. There you have it. All right, we're going to set the camera up here. Maybe a little bit old-timey music. And we're going to get her done. 5-minute job, they say. I believe it. See if we can do it. I bet we can.
Especially in gnome mode.
You ready? Snow. Sunshine. 1 cloud. Blue sky. It won't be long. You know, normalies, it ain't every day that it snows sunshine. All right, back to work. All right, Nomies, I got everything laid out here, ready to go. I know where I got to splice in for my switch up there. I know where we got to splice in over here. We got everything together. I put a minute on the clock over here, because that's about how long it took me to zip tie that thing to the firewall. So there you go. They save in 5 minutes or less. Let's see what the gnome can do with one arm tied behind, no, in front of his back. There you go. Let's do it. There you go. It took what? Hey, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Not bad. Now, let's, I want to do some little bit of cleaning up here and tidying up here. And we'll give it a test. See if that 5-minute install works, eh? All right, nomenclatures. Get everything buttoned up nice and neat. All our wire ties snipped. And, yeah. Time to go in here and see if it's going to work, huh? Oh, door's on this side. It's a suicide door. Going here. Ha ha! Well, we went ahead and mounted this here. I'm not sure if I like it there, but it seems to be out of the way. I think what I want to do first, turn that on. I want to plug in our old system here, because that's our backup. Make sure this thing's going to work. Oh yeah. Hear that? It's working. So, if that's working, let's see if the wireless is working. What they say to do here, see if I can get you a shot. What they say to do here is hold these two buttons for 3 seconds to activate. Yes! Green light is on. It's a good sign. Let's push a button, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's pull this thing out of here. Oh! Alright. Wireless. Check this out. It works. I love it when a plan comes together. They said 5 minutes. Yep. Well, that was a super easy install. Even a freaking one-armed gnome can do it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time. We'll be hopping the train to head up the tracks, gnomies. You ready? Here we go. I'm a gnomie, he's a gnomie, she's a gnomie, you're a gnomie. Wouldn't you like to be a gnomie?
Put your comment down on the bottom.
Click the subscribe down on the bottom. Click the like button.
Down on the bottom.
Make a comment.
Down on the bottom.
Peace out.